Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lakia here, and as you guys probably can tell, I have box braids which are very long. Well, not that long, but they're like averagely long. But what you can't see is that they're not finished, and I have these two little these cornrows just like sticking straight out, and I'm going to be finishing them today while telling you guys how to do box braids, because I did do these box braids all by myself, which is a very long process. So if you're patient, you can do it. So the hair that I'm going to be using today is this Veronica. Wait, that's not Veronica. So the hair that I'm going to be using today is this Vivica A. Fox Hair Collection Jumbo braid hair. It's basically Kangalon hair. It looks like this, and I am in the color 33. This is not my exact hair color, as you can see, but I kind of like having like a kind of off color for my box braids, and as you can see, I kind of incorporated some red in there as well. I think the red color is, wait, I have a pack right there. Okay, so the red color that I have is by the company Shake and Go. It's basically the same premium soft Kangalon hair, but this is in the color BG. So if you guys want the red color that I just showed you in there, where is it? Yeah, right there. That's this one, and then the rest of them is this one. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so starting off, these are already parted into two different sections, so I'm just gonna take one braid loose. And it would be very great if I had a comb with me, but I don't see one. So before doing any protective style, I would advise that you deep condition. I deep conditioned for a while before doing these braids. So my hair is like super moisturized and it won't like break off in the braids. The deep conditioner that I used was this one right here. Yeah, it's a deep conditioning cream for damaged hair. My hair is not damaged, but I need the moisture, so if you guys need a good one, this works for me. So yeah. And then the edge control that I use is this edge control right there. This stuff is the bomb. Get it? I highly advise it. Okay, so I advise you to use a comb. I can't find a comb, so I'm gonna use a bobby pin. My hair is already detangled, so I'm just gonna part a little section with this bobby pin. And as you can see, my parting job is not that good. It's fine because you did it by yourself. There's no way possible you can see the back of your head. One of my friends actually had a cool idea though. She like FaceTimed her laptop and put her laptop behind her so she was able to see it. So shout out to Tomato, she's the bomb. I don't know how to do that. But yeah, just gonna part it to the best of my ability. Okay, so that's good enough for me. Okay, so now I'm going to take that edge control, the edge wax, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of this. There's a freaking bobby pin in it. I'm just gonna be taking maybe about that much of it. It's not a lot at all. It probably is to someone though. And I'm just gonna put this on the perimeter of the square to make sure that I just grip it all into the braid. And then I'm kind of just gonna twist it to make sure it's in there. So yeah, and then I'll put a little bit on the other braid just so those hairs won't go in the other braid. Okay, so that's to prep the braid. Now moving on to actually holding the braid and like prepping it that way. I'm gonna have to open this because it's not open. So if you guys are wondering, this is what the hair looks like fresh out of the pack. It has the little Vivica Fox thing up there. She's not a very good actor, by the way. She's like in every Lifetime movie. But anyways, you take the rubber band off. Gonna be enough hair for all of these braids, but at least I'll have more done than I did before. But basically this is the hair right here. It's the exact same color as the hair that's in my head. I'm just gonna take a section that I feel I need. These braids are gonna be a little bit tinier than the rest of them because I only have one pack left, and I probably have about 6 braids, and I'm not getting 6 braids out of this pack. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this like this, and you're gonna take the bottom and kind of just pull them like this. This is gonna ensure that your braid doesn't unravel, because as you can see, the ends, I braided them like all the way to the tip so they won't unravel, and then so when you boil them, you know, they seal. So yeah, I'm just pulling them like this. You don't want to do this a little too much, because then your braids are going to get really thin at the bottom, and you're probably going to look a little crazy. But yeah, you just kind of stretch it. Okay, so now that we're done with that, you're going to take the hair on your finger like this, and you're going to separate it into 2 sections. You're going to separate the hair into 2 sections, but one of your sections is going to be smaller than the other section, because when you cross them like this, those 2 sections are going to combine to equal one of these. So that was probably mad confusing. Yeah, like I said, that one strand is going to be smaller because they're going to combine to the even section. So if you braid like this, you're going to hold your hair like this. Basically, you're going to hold those 2 sections that you bent in half, and you're going to stick your pointer finger through this. You're going to turn it and then grab it like that. I suck at showing people how to do stuff, so I'm just going to do it again, and I'm going to slow it down for you guys.
I am not the victim of this love affair. You can make me go away. I don't really care if it's getting fair.
So that's if you're braiding like a front piece, but we're going to be braiding this piece, which is kind of in the back. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your entire hand and grab it like this, and you're going to go under it like that to make sure that it's on your full hand. Then you're going to, this is such a hard process to show people, but you're going to grab it like this with the 2 sections, this smaller section bent in half, and you're going to open this up with the 2 fingers, and you're going to stick, like turn it like this and grab this section right here. So this is how you're going to start off your braid. Basically what I do is I kind of do kind of a cornrow. Like I separate the hair into 3 sections originally just to make it easier for myself. So I'm going to put this first piece. So I'm going to put this first piece of hair right here into the middle section. So I'm going to show you that. Put it in between my fingers like this. Then I'm going to hold on to that section, and I'm going to grab the 2 side sections together, and I'm going to split that hair like that, open it up, and then basically you're just going to start braiding. And if you guys need to, like me, my hair's a little frizzy, you can always add more edge wax throughout the braid to hide your ends. And then you're just gonna braid the braid all the way down. And to make the braiding process go a little faster, like when you get down here, if you bite it and then braid it, it won't put as much tension on your head if you're a tight braider. I'm not a very tight braider, so it won't affect me if I keep braiding like this. But if you're a tight braider and it's hurting you to braid like this, then just bite it and then start braiding. It works a lot better. Okay, so when you finish braiding the entire thing, I kind of suck at that because I was kind of rushing. But make sure you pay attention when you're braiding so it doesn't buckle. I really hate when girls' hair like seriously buckles. Like mine kind of did right about there, but I'm not going to go back and change it. But we're just going to braid all the way to the end. Feel free to go back and cut these like little scraggly ends off later on. But I'm not going to worry about that right now just because I'm trying to get these done before my phone dies, because I think I'm on like 3%. Okay guys, so that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you understood what I was trying to say. I don't know yet if I'm going to be doing an additional voiceover on top of the slow-mo part of this video. I'm still not finished. I still have this braid left, but I'm ready to go to sleep. So I either might do that later or I might do that tomorrow because I'm not doing anything tomorrow. If you hear a puppy crying, it's because Lexi will not stop attacking her brother, so she has to get separated. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.